DaFen Oil Painting Village, Shenzhen, China. A 0.4 square kilometer urban village in Longgang District is internationally known as the Global Oil Painting Factory. It previously produced an astonishing up to 70% of the world's oil painting replicas.
Drying in the sun, you said, pick a doorway, any room. We walked in laughing too loud. Paint on the floor, paint on your shoes, blending right into the crowd. Brush strokes in Dafen, you and me in every frame. Copycats and dreamers, all our faces look the same. Turn my life to color, right here on this busy lane. Brush strokes in Dafen, I'll remember every stain. Oh. White stone steps of the museum hall, cool air, quiet like a prayer. Spotlights catching every curve of stories hanging in the air. Then clay under our restless hands, spinning faster, losing shape. You pressed your thumb, I smudged the rim. We signed the bottom with today. Brush strokes in Dafen, you and me in every frame. Copycats and dreamers, all our faces look the same. Turn my life to color, right here on this busy lane. Brush strokes in Dafen, I'll remember every stain. Famous name on a narrow door, he grinned as he let us in. Showed us how a single line can pull the whole world in. I watched you watching every stroke, quiet, hold